AI is everywhere right now, right? Accelerating research, streamlining operations, you name it. But if you're rushing to integrate these tools into your GXP environments, well, hold the phone, because the FDA just drew a massive line in the sand with a genuinely shocking new warning letter.
Section 1, the warning letter. Purolea Cosmetics Lab.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the specific language they used. The target of this FDA intervention was a company called Purolea Cosmetics Lab, and buried inside what looked like just standard regulatory feedback was this highly specific callout: inappropriate use of artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. I mean, wow, this is a massive, incredibly specific shift in focus from health authorities.
So you're probably wondering, what exactly did Purolea do? Well, they actually told FDA investigators they were using AI agents to support their FDA compliance. And honestly, at first glance, that sounds like a great idea. It feels like a really progressive step toward modernizing quality systems and handling data, doesn't it?
Moving on to Section 2, the missing human element, the real compliance issue. But here's the twist: the technology itself, not the enemy here. Health authorities actually get it. They recognize that AI can genuinely enhance quality processes. So to be completely 100% clear, the FDA did not say using AI was the problem. The real issue was governance. Basically, these AI-generated documents just weren't getting adequately reviewed by an actual human to confirm they were accurate and actually compliant with current good manufacturing practice, or CGMP. It's that dangerous pitfall where we just assume sophisticated tech automatically guarantees compliance. And it doesn't. Section 3, the golden rule: AI in regulated environments. This warning letter is honestly one of the clearest regulatory signals we've seen to date on how health authorities expect us to govern AI. It establishes a golden rule. The core operational paradigm is right here. On one side, sure, AI absolutely can support compliance. It's a phenomenal tool for drafting, analyzing, and organizing data. But, and this is a huge but, on the flip side, humans remain strictly accountable for that compliance. Think about it. An algorithm cannot sign a document. It can't hold a job title, and there is absolutely no way it can defend a process sitting in a room during a regulatory audit. Any output produced by an AI literally has to be rigorously reviewed and approved by an authorized human representative from the quality unit. Okay, let's dive into Section 4, preparing your quality team and future-proofing compliance. As AI just keeps embedding itself deeper into enterprise software and quality management systems, you've got to be prepared. Your internal policies have to mature at the exact same rate as your tech if you want to future-proof things. So before you deploy any new AI tools, industry leaders need to be asking their teams two really critical questions right now. First off, where are we deploying AI? You absolutely need a clear map of which GxP processes are currently using or even planning to use AI agents. Second, are our governance workflows keeping pace? Meaning, do your standard operating procedures explicitly spell out mandatory human review, approval, and verification steps for anything generated by AI? You've got to have that human in the loop. Look, the integration of AI into pharmaceutical and cosmetic manufacturing is not slowing down anytime soon. But as the FDA just made incredibly clear, the responsibility for quality stays firmly in human hands. The organizations that are building robust, human-in-the-loop oversight today are the exact same ones that are going to confidently pass their inspections tomorrow. So, is your organization ready? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. If you want to dive deeper into the specifics of this case and make absolutely sure your team is prepared, check the link in the description box below to read the full article. See you next time.